Welcome to my review of the LeTkingok Solar Tracker sun tracking system with dual-axis control. In this video, I'll dive deep into its features, setup, and performance to help you decide if it's the right addition to your solar setup. This solar tracker controller is designed for both biaxial and uniaxial tracking. The star of the show is the patent pyramid four-quadrant structure light sensor. This sensor, combined with the MCU processor, analyzes light signals to control the motors via a relay circuit board. The result? Your solar panels follow the sun from sunrise to sunset. One standout feature is the automatic night return. After sunset, the system returns to the starting position, ensuring it's ready for the next day. There's also a manual mode and anti-jitter function, which stabilizes the system in windy conditions. Setup is a breeze. The controller comes high precision adjusted from the factory. No complex parameters to set, just install and go. The tracking frequency is every 1 minute and 20 seconds, consuming very low power while providing smooth tracking. In terms of durability, the unit is built to handle outdoor conditions. The enclosure is weather resistant, though I recommend additional shelter for extreme environments. Installation involves connecting the motors, solar panel mount, and the sensor, all clearly labeled. Over a week of testing, I saw a consistent 25% increase in energy generation compared to fixed panels. On overcast days, the tracker still captured more light than static panels. The manual override is handy for maintenance or if you need to adjust angle temporarily. Potential downsides? It requires a clear view of the sky. Shadows from trees or buildings reduce efficiency. Also, you'll need a compatible solar panel mount with motors, not included. The controller itself costs around $150, a reasonable investment for the efficiency gains. Compared to other trackers, the LeTkingok stands out for its ease of use and precise tracking. While there are cheaper DIY options, they lack this plug-and-play simplicity. Verdict? If you're serious about optimizing solar output, the LeTkingok Solar Tracker is a solid choice. It's reliable, effective, and user-friendly. Highly recommended for off-grid or home systems aiming to maximize every ray. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit like and subscribe. Links in the description.